Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is officially fall. It has been such a crazy year that I don't even feel like we had a summer, but it is fall time now and I really want to start rolling out the fall looks, and I feel like such a traditional, perfect for fall look is a warm brown smoky eye or just anything warm and brown. So I created this warm brown halo look for you guys. I hope that you enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Colourpop Nude Mood Pressed Powder Palette. The first shade I'm picking up is Bare to Wear. I'm first going in with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm applying this just through my crease. I'm now going into Au Naturel. I'm now switching over to my Sigma E25 Blending Brush and applying this through my crease. I love layering shadows. I feel like it just creates a lot of dimension and creates a really interesting end result to the shadow. So I know it might seem a little excessive that I'm applying 3 different shades in through my crease, but you'll see what a difference it really makes when you just layer them instead of just going in with like the dark brown and then trying to buff that out. Now picking up Moody, and then now picking up this shadow also on my E25 blending brush. I just kind of wiped off the brush on a paper towel and then buff that through the bottom of my crease first until I get most of that darkness and dimension into the bottom part. And then I'll start doing little circular motions to start diffusing that upward and then a little bit out. And then no matter what, I'll always bring the shadows back. So I'm going into Au Naturel on my E38 and applying that at the high point of the crease. Not at the very, very highest point, just kind of in between where these 2 shadows meet. And I'm just buffing everything out. And then going into Bare to Wear at the very highest point of that crease area and really diffuse everything. Before I finish off my lid, I'm going into Au Naturel on my E54 medium sweeper brush and sweeping that along my lash line. Now going into Moody on my E15 flat definer brush, I'm going to apply this really close to my lash line. And then start smoking that out. I'm going to roughly apply this onto my lid. And then just using my finger, I'm going to start tapping that and kind of diffusing that out. And just tapping that all on my lid to make sure it's nicely distributed also. I'm going into Lap of Luxe, and then working quickly, I'm picking up this shadow on my F70 concealer brush and just applying this on this outer third of my lid, and then applying this on the inner third of my lid. Now picking up Put On Airs, then picking this shadow up on my finger, I'm going to start swiping it right next to that dark brown shadow. And then do the same thing on this inner part, and then making sure to leave the center free of any shadow. Now going into Wink Wink, and now in the center just applying this beautiful shadow. And then just lightly blending through the crease to make sure there's no harsh lines. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition. I'm now going to line my upper waterline and then line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. I'm obsessed with these lashes. I feel like I can't wear another style. I just keep trying something else, and then I keep putting these back on and just falling in love with how they look. So these are going to stick around for a while. So now for lipstick, I'm going to the Karity Lip Lock in Sugary Sweet. I was just going to leave my lips matte, but I think I kind of want a gloss. So I'm going to go into the Ofra Rodeo Drive Lip Gloss. And that is it. This is the completed look of my warm brown halo smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how the look turned out. I feel like halo looks are always just going to be some of my favorite looks to create, and I have so much fun doing them. The lip turned out a little bit more cool toned and darker than I expected, but I'm not hating it because it does feel extra kind of fallish. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be linked down in the description box so you guys can follow me easier, and also a list of all the products that I used along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!